Okay, so today we have the 7th of May 2025, and shortly they will be doing the air alarm test on the phones, but also on the buildings. They do this test every year, and the last couple of years the phone has, and tablets, iPads, everything got Wi-Fi slash connection is all included in this. But it's a very scary sound, but I thought I'd show on this beautiful sunny day in Denmark. So yeah, I excuse the noise in the background. We got some machinery going. So yeah, but it should be about a minute, and yeah, the sound will start. The alarm on the phones everywhere, and also on some of the buildings there's some alarms sitting somewhere. I don't know where they really are here, but we will hear them. They are very loud, but it's a terrifying sound, and I feel sad and scared for all the people who get to experience this where it's actually serious. So yeah, 30 seconds and this should go off. But yeah, be safe out there, and just realize this sound is just a test today. It has been announced, so 10 seconds. That's the phone alarm, and soon the air alarm will go off on the buildings. It is not very loud here where we live, so I think they should put on something around here where we live, because we can hardly hear it here. Maybe you can hear the background. It is really low here, so we do need one of these alarm mounted down this end of the city. But yeah, this is the alarm thing. I believe this is a similar sound to the Amber Alert or the tornado warning. I'm not too sure. I have seen some tornado programs from the US, so I think that could be equivalent. But yeah, it's just a little test. See you.